How can you unsync or disconnect your Instagram account from your Facebook account? So if you post any story and that is automatic posting on your Facebook account too, how can you unsync or how can it detach this setting between Instagram and Facebook? So for this, we just have to go on the Meta Center on our mobile phone here. I will click on my Instagram. You can see this is my profile. This is my professional profile and my Facebook is already connected to my this account. How can I detach that? For this, you just have to click on the right bottom of screen for your profile here, and when you will click it, you can see there is an option called three dots on the right top of screen. Click on that. After that, click on setting and privacy option on the first, and here you will see account center on the first. Click on that, and you can see this is my Meta account center here, and there is an option called connected experience. Click on connected experience here. Click on the sharing across profiles, and you can see my Instagram and Facebook both are linked same in this menu. I will click on my Facebook account here, and I will just switch off the automatic story or post sharing from this. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.